Hello everyone, konnichiwa. I am YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Today we are going to make grilled onigiri. Last time I introduced two types grilled onigiri, classic style and modern style. Did you watch the video? I hope you did and recreated my recipe. This time I want to share other recipes. We will make miso and shiso grilled onigiri and okaka bonito flakes and cheese grilled onigiri. And if you have a miso in your fridge, it's a good chance to use it. And aside with these grilled onigiri, I will also introduce Japanese breakfast meal set. And as always, my furry families, toy poodles, brothers, Mario and Luigi will be joining as a helpers. So are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so 2 kinds grilled onigiri and my Japanese breakfast meal set is ready. So let's try tasting. And as for menu, I prepared the Japanese omelette with hijiki salad. Itadakimasu. Okay, now let's try tasting grilled onigiri. This is Okaka and cheese grilled onigiri. The surface is very crispy, and I can see the cheese melting. And you can feel the umami from bonito flakes and soy sauce and cheese. This one has a very rich umami flavor, and the aroma of sesame oil is also good. Okay, now let's try Miso Shiso grilled onigiri, also crispy outside. Since we put the miso sauce on top and on the bottom, so once you bite, your mouth will be full with miso flavor. And after all, the flavor of raw shiso is refreshing. The texture of white sesame seeds is also accents. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: when you make grilled onigiri or onigiri in general, please use steamed Japanese rice. It's okay if it's hot or warm, but never cold. Please remind it. And tip: to make okaka and cheese grilled onigiri, and please crush the bonito flakes as much as possible and use it. And tip: and it's good to use 2 or 3 kinds cheese to add more rich flavors. And tip: to make shiso and miso grilled onigiri, and when you put miso sauce on both sides, I recommend to put miso sauce on the other side and flip suddenly. Then put the other miso, then flip fast, because miso is easy to be burned. So how was the grilled onigiri recipe video? I hope these recipes will help you make daily meals. And before checking another videos, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you will have a wonderful weekend and new week. See you next time. またね